Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. And it's been quite some time that I haven't seen you all. Well, I have been a bit too busy with certain projects, certain upcoming projects, and certain projects which are under the pipeline. And hopefully, I'll be sharing all that with you pretty soon. And one such happy and good news is that I want to share with you today is about the launch of our new product, the wireless braces. So unlike the traditional braces where you put in the wire along with the brackets on your teeth to align them, so specifically for all the adults and even for the college goers or young teens who are uncomfortable or kind of a bit embarrassed to wear the braces, we have another product, something called as aligners. And this is how it looks like. That's like an acrylic moldable plastic tray which you have to be wearing on your teeth for your upper and the lower teeth, and slowly and gradually the teeth are aligned in the desired position. So for example, if you have some gaps in between your teeth, or if you have some crowding, or if you think your teeth are protruding out a little too much and you want to set them and align them in a particular desired form, so this is something what the aligners would do, and you do not have to wear the braces. So it's a very good product specifically for all the adults who are a bit too conscious about wearing braces at a certain age of their life and who still want to correct their teeth but without braces. So aligners are the rescue. Wearing braces has never been easy for anyone. I can understand that, being a dentist, because there are times when we have to literally teach all our patients how to brush their teeth, how to keep them clean, which is utmost important in case of patients with braces. But with the evolution in dentistry and the modern techniques, and specifically with the launch of products like aligners or invisible braces, things are comparatively much more easier for the maintenance of your oral hygiene. Another advantage with aligners is that they're removable, unlike the traditional braces which are fixed. So yes, you can just wear these aligners on your teeth and take them out while eating and drinking, and even while brushing and flossing your teeth. Whereas in braces, it is comparatively a little too difficult because you cannot remove them, and they're only removed once the treatment is over. Maybe that takes about 1 or 1.5 years time. And the biggest advantage which makes aligners the chosen line of treatment over the traditional braces around the globe these days is the fact that they are almost invisible. As you can see, they're made up of clear, transparent acrylic, which is not seen when you're wearing them in your mouth. So these aligner trays come in a box, and there are a number of trays, depends on patient to patient and the severity of malocclusion that is being corrected. So ideally, if you're wearing the set number 1 today, every 2 weeks you switch over to the next set. So gradually your teeth are moved by these aligners to the desired position. And last but not the least, and more so the cherry on the cake, is that with aligners, you do not have to make multiple dental visits or regular monthly dental visits to any dentist. In a way, you are your own doctor. So make sure that you're wearing your aligners regularly without skipping a day, and every 2 weeks you change the aligner to the next set and just upload your picture on the given software. So very happily and very proudly announcing the launch of our brand of aligners and bringing to you all the wireless braces.
Would you like to have straighter teeth but can't see yourself wearing braces? The wireless braces is for you. The wireless braces are a remarkable way to improve your smile without wires in your mouth like traditional braces, so that no one can notice the treatment you are undergoing. They are actually clear plastic trays, so they are nearly invisible. The wireless braces can correct crowded or crooked teeth, gaps and spaces between teeth, open bites where the upper and lower teeth do not come together, crossbite, to name a few. So, how does it work? Call us or leave a message. We will understand your concern and educate without any fee. If you need aligners, then we will undergo x-rays followed by dental impressions as designed by our orthodontic specialists. Various aligner trays will reach you with the right amount of forces, directing your teeth, hence leading to a correct smile. The total treatment time generally ranges from 6 to 18 months. Are wireless braces comfortable? They may take some time getting used to, but you will adapt quickly. They are safe, removable and non-allergic. They are easy to wear, non-cancerous and pain-free. Wireless braces are affordable and comes with attractive EMI facility. Avoid visiting dentist often. Call us today for more information.